Hi everyone, my name is Clyde D'Souza, and in this video, we will take a look at a Miroverse template that I made called Secret Santa. Now, as the name suggests, this Miro template is used to facilitate a virtual Secret Santa. Now, as everyone's working from home or even working overseas and working all around the globe, if we do want to have Secret Santa, obviously it is much more difficult to actually buy gifts and courier them across or send them across, or actual physical gifts and send them across. To make it light and to make it easy to organize a game of Secret Santa, I have created this template so that you can just use a simple Miro board, organize a game of Secret Santa with your family, with your friends, or with your colleagues. And all you have to do is send virtual gifts and receive virtual gifts, and maybe even include a message. How easy is that? So let's take a look at this board. It's called Secret Santa. It's available on Miroverse. This is the page, and we will take a look at all the steps in detail in just a few minutes. What I've done is I have logged into Miro and I've clicked on the Use Template button, and this has copied the template across and created a Miro board for me. Now what I'll do is, for this video I'll walk you guys through this board. So the rules are also written here, instructions are written here, but let me just walk you through. It's simple. It's a three-step process. One is you can find an image of the gift that you as a Santa would like to give someone, and just paste the image over here. So if I just paste this image here, I have been biased and included an image of a book, a children's book that I've written. I will put a link to that as well. It's available on Amazon and all the other platforms. But let's say if I wanted to gift someone this book, I will place an image over here. Now, how do you import an image? How do you import an image to Miro? I have a video for that as well. It's called 7 ways to import an image, or 7 ways to add an image to your Miro board. I will link the video down below in the description as well. So once you have the image, what you need to do is just drag it to step number 2, where we will wrap the gift. And so what I'll do is I'll just resize this and select a gift. So let's say if I select this one, you can even copy this, but I'll just drag this across, and I will resize this so that it completely wraps the actual gift up. And you can obviously just right click and just say bring to forward, bring to front, bring to back to align the layers. And then what I will do is I will use the Miro text element to write the name of the person I'm gifting it to. So let's just say John Smith, very generic name for now. There you go. And then you can obviously adjust the size of this as you like. You can change the font as well, but for now I'll just, for the demonstration, I'll just skip that. You can change the font, you can add the name over here, label it. That's what's most important for the person to know that they have a gift under their name. Now select the entire thing. You don't have to group it, just select the entire thing and then drag it to step number 3, which is to place it under the Christmas tree. I can resize this and I can place it anywhere under the Christmas tree. Now a Christmas tree has already been made and decorated for you, and that's under step number 3. And all you have to do is just place, and even if you're doing it with your friends and family or your colleagues, you can get everyone to place their gifts also under this Christmas tree. And then when everybody is just opening the gifts, all you have to do is just come here, look, find a gift under their name. Let's say this was their gift. What they have to do is they just have to remove this layer of this gift, and that's how you unwrap the gift, and then you see what your gift is. So, and in this case, there's a cute little hamster waiting as a gift for me. So that's it. You just have to unwrap the gift in this way. So very simple process, 3-step process. Find an image online. Um, and then wrap the gift, label the gift so that the person knows, and then of course place the gift under the Christmas tree, which is obviously the most important one. Now you can imagine there'll be heaps and heaps of gift boxes over here under the Christmas tree. And so with this board, you have the template itself which you can use. There's an example over here, and there's also a tip over here which we'll actually go through. Which basically just says, how do you layer stuff, and this is just mostly for the first time users. So you have your gift, you have the label, the text element, and then the actual gift wrap itself. So you layer it one above the other, so that it, and then when you place it exactly one above the other, it will nicely get wrapped, and your gift, so that's supposed to be a surprise, won't be spoiled for the person who's opening the gift. So yeah, that's really it. Simple game of Secret Santa using Miro. They come back to this template. If you do like it, just hit this like button, share it with your friends, with your network, and also tag me in those posts. My social media handles are in the YouTube description below. And then of course just let me know in the comments below as well, if you actually use this template, if you plan on using this template, and your feedback after using this template. And yeah, just hit me up in the comments below, and I will try and respond to all of them. And of course, do like this YouTube video, share this YouTube video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos to come on this channel. A very Merry Christmas, and a very Happy New Year to all of you. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.